Hi everyone, it's Paul again. So we're back in Ohio, as I said before, and we're expecting a storm and a big snowstorm. And this is what it looks like in the grocery stores.
Look up, go that way, Paul. There's a lot more.
The lines are amazingly long. I mean, amazingly long. And there's only 7 registers working. You can count them. And so this is what it's like right now. The storm is supposed to, the temperature is supposed to drop 40 degrees. I'm talking about Fahrenheit. 40 degrees into like the teens. And then it's about to rain right now. So it's above freezing. And then it's going to drop. So they're expecting the roads to be terrible, 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 and ice on the lines. So people might be losing electricity as well. So people are preparing by buying. Okay, that's the end of this very short video. See you guys.